Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to Aetna Health account. Now let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and navigate to Aetna website. You can do this by typing Aetna Health login. Now click on member, employer, agent or broker and provider login. Now click on login. After that, you will be directed to login page of Aetna Health. Enter your username and password and click on secure login. If you don't have an account to Aetna Health, you can also register the account. Simply scroll down and click on register. Aetna Health login page also provide you to retrieve your username and password in case you have forgotten it. If you have any problem during login, you can also click on login tips to get help. If you want to log into Aetna Health without entering a password, simply click on sign in without a password. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log into Aetna Health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.